In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel auto payment on Bank of America, which is a helpful way to regain control over your finances or just make some changes to your existing AutoPay setup. We'll walk through these steps together, ensuring you get all the assistance you need for a smooth and stress-free process. To start this journey, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Bank of America website. It's a good idea to bookmark this site if you frequently manage your credit cards, loans, or investments online, as it offers a centralized hub for all your financial needs. Once you're on the home page, keep an eye out for that login button, click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure these details are at your fingertips to make the process quicker and smoother. After logging in successfully, your next step is to find the section dedicated to bill payments. Look for labels like Bill Pay or Payments. This section is crucial because it houses all your payment activities and is your gateway to managing them efficiently. Once you're in the Payments section, you're going to need to identify which account you're currently using for your AutoPay setup. It's all about knowing what you're working with so you can make the necessary adjustments to that specific account. By selecting this AutoPay account, you're ready to make the changes you want. Now comes the critical part, canceling or changing the AutoPay setup. You'll often find options that allow you to either cancel the AutoPay setting completely or tweak it as needed. This is a great opportunity to review your current setup and decide whether you need to stop those automatic payments or perhaps adjust the payment amount or schedule to better fit your needs. Once you've made your choice, you'll typically be guided to confirm this cancellation or update. Make sure to take note of any confirmation messages you receive on the screen, as these serve as reassurance that your actions have been successfully processed. In some scenarios, you might find that handling cancellations online isn't an option. Should you encounter any hitches or feel unsure at any point, reaching out to the Bank of America customer service can be your best ally. Their team can offer support and guide you through any specific issues or questions that arise, ensuring you have everything resolved to your satisfaction. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to stopping or changing your AutoPay on Bank of America. By following these steps, you take an important step toward keeping your finances in check and ensuring your payments align with your current needs. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide has been helpful.